Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webflow AI content workflows with automated publishing, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Webflow AI content workflows with automated publishing, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project where you want to implement the AI content workflow. In the project dashboard, locate the Integrations tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Integrations tab to access the available options. Here, you will find the section for AI integrations. Select the AI tool you intend to use for content generation. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AI tool with Webflow. Once connected, return to the project dashboard. Create a new collection for the content that will be generated. To do this, click on the CMS tab and then select New Collection. Name your collection appropriately to reflect the content type. Define the fields you need, such as title, body text, images, and tags. After setting up your collection, save and publish the changes. Next, navigate to the automation settings within Webflow. Choose the Automations option to access the workflow tools. Select Create New Automation to start building your automated workflow. Set the trigger for your workflow, which could be based on a schedule or a specific event. Choose the action to create new items in your collection using the AI tool. You may need to configure how the AI should generate content. This can include prompts or topics that the AI should focus on. Test the integration to ensure that content is being generated and added to your collection correctly. If everything works smoothly, schedule your automation for regular intervals. Once the automation is set, monitor the performance of the published content. Make adjustments to your AI prompts or settings as needed for improved results. Finally, review your Webflow setup periodically to make sure your content is relevant and engaging. By following these steps, you'll successfully set up Webflow AI content workflows with automated publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.